Nice. Let me show this drill of the stepping forwards macaco setup. So to start with, I want you to pick one side. We're going to do both sides, but if I'm starting with my right, so everything is going to be going towards my right. In this case, I have my right hand. I'm going to step with my right leg. So I'm going to step with my right leg. I'm going to then lean forward until my left hand goes on the floor, just so I have balance until I'm completely on my toes. As I'm stepping with my right and I'm using my right hand, I'm going to place my hand as it is for me to do the macaco. Place the hand on the floor. I keep looking the whole time. Look that my head started to go over my shoulder more and more. And I want you to lift the hip as high as you can. Come back on one push, reset, and then you step from the same leg, right. Now I'm going to do exactly the same thing on my left. I'm just turning so I can see face the camera. But when you're doing, you can just skip on one direction. So now it's left. So that left leg is the one that's going to step forward. So left leg, my left hand is the one that's going to go down. So I lean on the opposite hand to have balance. Here I can add a little pause. Remember, I'm posing here and I'm already looking at my hands to go here and come back. What I want you to focus is that my hip is facing forward, but my toes is facing forward when I stand up. Come back and then push. Be careful not to do this. When I'm gonna lean forward, I'm gonna do facing you. I'm gonna do with my right. So I'm gonna step right, place the left hand. Be careful not to do this. See that now my knees are twisted because I twisted on my toes. We need to make sure I'm leaning forward. That's the most important thing on the macaco. Because from the beginning, if I turn, game over. I'm gonna go sideways. I'm gonna end up doing cartwheel. So when you go down, I'm gonna go to my right. So right leg, place the hand, everything facing up. Come back. Get used to this so that becomes natural for you. So if I'm doing with my left hand, place there, keep. Even if you can't go as high on one side, it's normal. So one side is gonna be tighter than the other. Now you can understand why we're doing all those squats on our toes. We need to build up the strength. Otherwise, you're gonna collapse onto your floor, onto your heel, and you're not gonna be able to take off. Trying to jump with your feet flat is gonna take you nowhere. So we need to use everything that we have. I hope that makes sense. And any questions, let me know. See you on the next one.